Hey everyone, my name is Alex Ryan. Today we're going to be talking about starting an online business and why Amazon or why launching an import-export business is a great idea. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So, the old way, if you wanted to start a business online, well actually not online, but the old way is you would need to set up a company, you would need to have a factory, you would need to have a shipping logistics in place, you would need a hard product, you would need warehousing, you would need people in those warehouses, you would have rent, employees, superannuation, right? You would have to pay payroll tax, right? That was the old way of doing business. The new way, you've got a website, you've got Amazon, you've got eBay, right? You have fulfillment by Amazon, which gets shipped out automatically, which means you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about logistics. You don't even have to worry about labels and sticking labels to things. Amazon does that all for you. You don't need to store pallets of products because Amazon does that for you. They are amazing. Guys, the topic today was Amazon is the #1 trusted company in the USA. It's fast becoming #1 here in Australia and New Zealand, but it is huge. And the potential of starting an online business these days, whether it's Amazon or import, export, whatever that might be for you, it's a lot easier to start businesses these days, whereas back in the old day, you had to go through so many hurdles. Imagine trying to figure out the banking and open up bank accounts and you know, do all this sort of stuff, accept checks and credit cards. Imagine trying to accept a credit card 10 years ago, how many loopholes you had to run through, but Amazon does all that all for you, right? If you start an online business, right, most of these days is Stripe.com. They process payments and do credit cards for you. That's who I use as well. So there's so many ways, guys, to start online business. It's only going to become easier and easier, but now is the perfect time to start something. Now is the perfect wave to start something. Guys, if you want to find out more about starting an online business, if you've been thinking about it, maybe you're not too sure what to import or what to sell online or on Amazon, give us a call, contact us, guys. I've got a free report. You can actually get a free copy of my book on my website for a limited time only until copies last, right? I'm only sending a few of these out, but I've also got a free video series there that kind of shows you this kind of stuff anyway. You know, shows you how to find the hot suppliers, shows you how to find products that have a little competition that don't require shipping. That's also another big thing. Don't import something that's big and requires shipping, right? Because the shipping costs will eat your margins, right? So something lightweight, something highly profitable, but something also that there's not many competitors involved in. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. My name is Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me and happy importing. Talk to you real soon. See you later.